I have all these empty nut butter jars. We're gonna meal prep with them. Okay, this is gonna be so easy. We're making triple chocolate overnight oats. Jars have leftover stuff in the bottom, which is gonna make it so much better. Starting with oats, put half a cup in each of the jars. Okay. I did get oats everywhere because I want extra protein in these. I'm actually gonna do a mix of protein powder. I'm gonna do some dark chocolate and some mocha. A little dark chocolate for you. Little mocha for you. Honestly, mix and match and do some of both. The secret for extra chocolatey flavor, this Dutch processed cocoa powder. This is what they use in Oreos. At least that's what I read online. Put a little bit of this in each one. A teaspoon is good. We're gonna add some mini chocolate chips. You could do like a teaspoon or just, you know, however much looks good. I'm just finishing off the bag because why not? Okay, last ingredient. Can you believe that we're almost done? I feel like this has taken like 10 seconds. So you're gonna put about a cup of almond milk into each jar. If you use chocolate milk, that would make these extra chocolatey, but I don't have any right now. Okay, just keep it going. Listen, it's gonna be messy if you do this quick. I'd rather make one mess now and have 5 breakfasts than making a mess every day. You know what I mean? Seal them all up. Last part. Honestly, you could add in whatever else you want into these. You could add in some chia seeds, some honey, some vanilla, some berries, whatever you want. Basically done. We have 5 breakfasts in 5 minutes. Make these with whatever leftover jars you have.